Welcome to Vice City, the most vibrant world Rockstar had ever created.
Meet Lucia, GTA's first female lead. Strong, smart, and fearless. And Jason, her loyal partner in crime. Together, they form a dangerous duo, ready to take on Vice City. Vice City is alive. Parties, beaches, chaos everywhere. High-speed chases have never looked this intense.
Social media moments bring a modern twist to the GTA world.
The world feels more real, full of wildlife and living details.
Cars have deeper physics and stunning visuals.
From city streets to wild swamps, the map is massive.
Combat feels more intense with improved animations.
NPCs behave smarter. Vice City feels truly alive. Heists return with more tension, strategy, and style.
The story explores trust, love, and survival.
GTA 6, arriving in 2026, the next level of open-world gaming.
Like and subscribe.